Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In this video we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload it. So as we used to click on the hint like in the parlor or sitting room or office, so here today we are going to click this icon so that our code will be fed for us. So let's click on it. So as you can see, like our code of the day, it's Tom. So let's go to the request section so that we should import our code so that we should confirm the code it is correct. So let's come for the activities. Let's enter the future technology. So let's write Tom. Let's click on check. So congratulations to us, we have imported the correct code. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.